how to adjust the pen press and hold speed and duration in Windows 11. In Windows 11, pressing and holding the pen tip on the screen simulates a right click. The speed controls how quickly the right click starts, and the duration is how long you need to keep the pen on the screen for the action to complete. Adjusting these settings can make using the pen more comfortable and precise. This article will show you how to change the press and hold speed and duration in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Configure via Control Panel. The GUI method is simple and only involves adjusting a couple of sliders. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Click Pen and Touch. Go to the Pen Options tab, select Press and Hold, and click Settings. Use the Speed slider to control how quickly the right click starts. Use the Duration slider to control how long you must hold the pen to trigger it. Click OK to save your changes. Method 2. Modify using the Registry Editor. This method gives you precise control over the press and hold response. Press Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to H key, Current User, \software, \Microsoft, \Wisp, \pen, \sys event parameters. To change press and hold speed, double-click wait time, choose decimal, and enter a value from 100, shorter delay, to 5000, longer delay. The default is 300. To change press and hold duration, double-click hold time, choose decimal, and enter a value from 600, shorter hold duration, to 4500, which makes it longer. The default is 2300. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Method 3. Access settings using Windows Command Prompt. You can open the pen and touch settings directly through Command Prompt. Press Windows key, type CMD, and choose Run as Administrator. Paste this command and press Enter. The Pen and Touch settings window will open, where you can adjust the press and hold settings just like in Method 1. How to verify if the setting adjustment worked. To check whether your press and hold changes are working correctly, follow these steps. Go to a test area such as a blank spot on the desktop. Hold the pen tip on the screen without moving it, and wait for the right-click circle animation to appear. Lift the pen after the animation appears, and this should open a context menu. Check the timing. The delay before the circle appears should match your new press and hold speed. The full hold time before the menu opens should match your adjusted duration. Try the same steps in another app or on the taskbar to make sure it works consistently. Adjusting the pen's press and hold speed and duration in Windows 11 can make pen input more comfortable and efficient. For more information, check out our official blog post on adjusting the press and hold speed and duration linked in the description below.